No.
Go away and leave me alone. I said go to your parents. You want sweetie?
Yes.
Come for it. Come on. Come. You're such nice children.
You tried it.
Run.
Hey, how you meet by me?
No, go tell Mommy.
You can be prosecuted for that.
We will get in trouble if she knows so we are trouble, Madman Nettie.
A good man. Go and go tell your parents. Make she beat you up on top of his rude people.